My name is Joram Mathenge, the project leader. We are here in Aberdare Forest site where we've been planting indigenous trees. One of the trees that we have planted here is bamboo. Bamboo is good for conservation of wetlands, and here there is an area which is a wetland. It's also a source of a spring, and when we noted the place was drying up, we introduced the bamboo species, which is doing very well. Yeah, we planted about more than 250 seedlings, which are now growing very well. And we hope that this place will be able to come back to its original condition. Thank you. This is one of our other planting sites within the Aberdare Forest that had been logged. The trees had been cut. You can see the tree stump of a very, very big tree that was cut down. So the area was cleared. Now we have introduced the trees, and you can see the pine is growing very well, and now the area has been properly rehabilitated.